Hi guys, how are you all?
Good, Miss Priya.
Good.
Stop the screen share. I don't know what happened to the screen share. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Sorry, 15 minutes I got delayed today. Thank you. I think you all had to log in late, right? I'm sorry about it. How is school going
It's
on
okay.
for Arush?
Good, Miss Priya.
Good. Okay. Lakshita,
Miss
what are they
Priya,
doing?
Miss
Yeah, ma.
Priya, I didn't get to do the homework this week, because I don't have the book. I didn't have the book right now, but my
Ah,
mom's ordering it. It should be here by before next class.
very nice, Arush, to hear that update from you. I really appreciate
Um,
the update.
I was also gonna say something. I got my book yesterday, and I will do the assignment after the class.
Sure, Emma. For the answers, right? Looks like you need to get access. So get it beforehand so that you're not waiting on me. Nidhi, sorry, Ma. I was outside. I just barged in for the class.
Um, Auntie,
Yeah,
I turned in the homework today because I got my book on Tuesday. So I just wanted to let you know.
no
Yeah.
problem, Ma. As
Yeah.
long
So
as you turn in, I'll
it
have
was
a
turned
look
in
at
like
it.
kind of late this week.
Don't worry about it. Usually check it just before the class. Today, I wasn't here, so it was like
Oh,
delayed. Don't worry at all. I
yeah,
have
that's
got
fine.
delayed too.
Yeah, I just wanted to tell you just in
So
case
sweet.
it
I
showed
really
up.
like you telling me as well. It does help. Jay, what are they doing in school, Emma?
Identifying functions.
You have to be a bit loud or no.
Identifying function.
Oh, is it easy?
Yeah, it is pretty easy.
Okay, that's nice. Avyukt, how about you?
For us, we're doing functions right now.
You're doing functions right now. Mm.
Continuous and discrete functions.
Ah, so that's easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now I really want to have a note from a couple of you. Wait. See, okay, before I start the class, right, I want to iron out certain things. Who is going to move to the Saturday class? Who among you are going to move to the Saturday class? Jay, you were present last class, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Vikyat was present in both the class. Akshita, are you here, Akshita? Okay, Akshita is not in here. Good. Okay, so I'm switching some of you to Saturday class, guys. Is there anybody who would like to attend the Saturday class? Is there anybody? No, yes. There are two answers, right? Is there anybody who would like to attend the Saturday class? Okay, no problem. Dhruv Nayak, are you here? Nidhi, you're here, right? Nidhi? What is going on, guys? Just a few minutes back, I was talking to her. Okay, Rushita is not available. Okay, let me see why I'm going to settle all these and then only start class today. Give me a few minutes. Many are coming in just now. That's the deal. There are 3 people coming in. Okay. Couldn't find homework because you didn't give me the answer key.
Miss
Oh, fine.
Priya,
Okay. But did you ask Avit? I didn't see any ping from you. Did you ask?
Yeah, I asked.
I just uploaded as well. Did you see that?
Let me go check.
Yeah. I had uploaded 2 days back, right?
Miss Priya,
Yama.
I couldn't do the homework either.
Oh,
I
what?
did I did like 5 pages, but I couldn't do anything more than that.
Ashita, were you absent last class?
For algebra,
Uh,
I don't think so.
okay. And Lasya, are you in here? Lasya.
Yes, Miss Priya?
Are you in here? Oh, okay. And why Nidhi is not in here? Interesting. Why Nidhi is not in here? Just now I was talking to her.
I am here.
Ah, see, I called you last time. Okay, good. Rushita is not going to be in here, I know.
Yeah.
Rushita is something to do with school, right? Arush is in here. Nice to read your note, Arush. Varad is in here. Johan, you there? Prince? Kavin? Prince and Kavin is here. Prince?
I'm here.
Oh, wow, you guys are so silent. Prisha is here. Ritisha? Ritisha. She was there. She was attending perfectly. Samanvi won't be there, I know. Ashwath won't be there. Harshat is in here. Harshat, did you finish your test, Harshat?
Auntie, it's since end of September, Auntie.
Oh, okay. Ryan, are you here? Ryan. Ryan?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah,
These are not showing, guys. Okay, absent. You're here. Hey, you wanted to move to Saturday class, Ryan? Did you want to move to Saturday class?
I don't know. I'm fine with this one as well.
You
I might
find
have
it.
to leave early because it's my dad's birthday and we're going somewhere.
Oh, coming Saturday?
No, I'm not sure if, but today I'm saying I might have to leave early because it's my dad's birthday.
That's okay, ma. Okay, yeah. Happy birthday to him. You really have come back and watch the recording. Can we go ahead? Any questions on the homework, guys? Did you have any questions on the homework?
I don't find where the answer key is.
Why? It is in the Algebra 1 classroom.
Could you like specify where it is exactly in the algebra
Algebra 1,
classroom?
module 2, 3, 4 answers, right?
Yeah, it says access denied.
Oh, yeah, it will be denied. You have to request.
Oh, okay.
Obviously, it's not like everybody gets access. Whoever does it, whoever requests it will get access. See, if I give it to everybody, right? Nobody does it. I won't know who is taking which course.
I didn't request access and I just got in.
Oh, good. You're able to?
Yeah, I didn't have to request access, it just let me through.
That is interesting. That is interesting. Okay.
But I think it was the last week's answer key, so maybe that's why.
Okay, but are you able to access it?
Yeah, I didn't have to request for it.
I don't know how, ma. It's interesting to me. Usually you would have request. Yeah, you would. Yeah, but there is a request from you, right?
Yeah, but I clicked it once and then I clicked it again and then the second time it
What?
immediately let me in.
Okay. Nidhi, do you have access now? I just want to make sure everybody has the required access as well hereafter. Did you get it?
Well, last time I checked, it didn't let me in, but I can check again now.
Yeah. Check it in now. I just came, right? Vikyat, you should have it now, Vikyat.
Okay, got it.
Whatever documents you're requesting, I would have given.
Yeah, you did. I just got the.
Okay, but there are 2, 3 links, right? Check whether you have gotten access for everything.
It doesn't say I have access. Is it gonna be in my mail?
No, you should see it. You should click on it. Whatever, if you have requested properly, then I would have given. Whichever link you asked for access, I would have given. There are 3, 4 links, right? Module 2, module 3, like that. Did you get it? Jay,
I
are
didn't
you?
know it was different links. I thought it was all just one big link. I got it.
Okay. And Jay, are you checking your answers?
Yeah.
Johan, the intent is for you to check answers. But Jay, how are you checking the book answers? Did you get the access for the book pages key?
I don't know. My dad looked at it and then I don't think he had to even ask for requests or anything like that.
Oh, okay. If he's able to check by himself, it's great. Okay. Kavin, you should be able to have it now for the link that you sent, Amma. Can you check and
Yeah,
confirm?
I'm checking right now. I have like half of it opened.
Okay, good. Johan, you should be able to access as well. Okay, let's move on to our work now. Kavin, you should. So we did till 133, right? That's good. Let's try this one. I'll share my screen, guys. First, let's review and then we'll go. How about this, guys? We'll do function modeling a little later, but I would like to see you this one. Let's see this one. Y equal to x square. If I give you a function like this, would you be able to graph it? Would you be able to graph this function? Who would be able to graph this function? Prisha, tell me, how will you do it?
Do you insert numbers? Like you have to start with 0.
Yeah,
And
you
then
put in input output
yeah,
table.
you
okay?
make an input output table, and then you plug in each number into the formula.
Choose some negative values, ma'am. Choose some. This is your independent variable, right? X is your independent variable, right?
So
you
you
can
will start with
-2,
negative
0, 2.
So first you do negative 2 times to the
So you're
power of
going to
2.
substitute in here, -2 the whole square. What is that? 4, right?
Yeah, negative.
For a -2, it's a +4. Good job. Then what, ma?
Then you would do 0,
0
right?
squared. Y
Which
is
would be 0.
Mm-hmm.
And then it would be 2, 4.
2 will be a 4. Good job. Now connect the dots. Did you all get it, guys? So if you're given an equation, you should be able to graph any equation that's given. Similarly, if I ask you to graph x plus 3y equal to 15, what would I do, Ryan? What would I do to graph it? Ryan, are you browsing something else there?
No.
Then
So
go ahead.
so first you'd have to like draw the coordinate plane and all that, right? I still don't really get it, but I think what you do now is you substitute x and y.
Where? From where? You know what, Ryan? You were not looking at the table we drew. You were on a separate tab. That I don't like, Ryan. I'm not going to pursue this if that happens again.
I'm not on a separate tab there.
Okay. But I can see it through, right? Okay. Then Lasya, can you go ahead?
Miss Priya?
Yeah. Okay, do you know how to graph this, ma? Make an input-output table. Do you know, or you want to pass it? You want to pass it?
Yeah.
Okay. Harshad, go ahead. No problem. But
Okay. Okay, first you told the x to the other side, so it's 3y equal to 15 minus x.
Okay, so you want to do that? Okay, okay. He's wanting to make it as y equal to. Okay. So what happens? 3y equal to 15 minus x. Then
Yeah.
what, Harshad?
So then you divide by 3 on both sides. So y equal to 5 minus
Minus x
3
by
by x by 3. So this is our function. F of x is equal to 5 minus x by 3. And okay, so now you substitute x and y. So if you substitute x as, for example, 6.
Let's take some negative, some positive. Independent.
Negative 6 and 0.
Negative 6, 0, 6. How about that?
So
I like the way you chose the values. You know why, Harshad? That 6, when you put in here, you can easily divide by 3. Do you see it? Nice values you've chosen. Good job. Go ahead.
thank you. So then first you divide negative 6 by 3. So it's
Let's
now
put x equal to negative. Let's put x equal to negative 6. So function value becomes what?
Okay, so now a negative 6 divided by 3, negative 2. So 7. F of x is equal to 7. So y is 7 for negative 6.
So what is the point then? Minus 6 comma?
7.
X
And
equal
then
to
0. So now it's 5. 0 comma 5. And then for 6, then now it's 3. So
x equal to 6, y equal to 3. Good job.
So now all you have to do is plant it on the graph. So negative 6, 7, 0, 5, and 6, 3.
and 3. One second, guys. Thanks. And then 6, 3. Thanks, Ma. I did not see.
Miss Priya.
That seems incorrect, right? Wait, 6, 3. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute, Ma. 1 minute, Ma. Let me plot it. Minus 6, 7. Then 0, 5. Okay. This is incorrect. And then 6, 3.
3.
Huh? Tell me, Ma. Tell me, Ma.
Can you explain how you got x is equal to -6 again?
X equal to -6, these are independent values. You can assign your own independent value. I just chose a negative value, 0, and a positive value.
Okay.
When I chose the value, I saw my equation. If I put a number that's divisible by 3, then it is easy for me. So he chose -6 and 6. You got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Clear, huh? Ryan, is that clear?
Oh yeah, yeah, it is.
Okay, nice. Okay, how about this? Let's move on. So any function, if I give you any function, you should be able to graph it well. Okay, guys, now you're all going to do it in your paper and you're going to tell me, you're going to graph this. And then we are going to, first you graph this and then you're going to tell me the domain and range of this function. You remember domain and range of this
Auntie,
function?
how do you type the curly braces again?
This is a continuous function, right? There is no
Oh,
curly.
yeah, this is a continuous function.
Yeah, you have to write it as an inequality.
How do we show you the graph?
On the video.
Oh, okay. So we just like put our
Yeah,
notebooks.
video. Yeah. But you have to unblur your screen, Amma. Otherwise, I cannot. For that minute, you have to unblur the screen.
Okay, well, I'll do it after I'm done solving the.
Oh, alright. Y equal 2.
Jay, are you able to do Jay? Did you understand Jay?
Yeah, I understood a little bit. I'm
And
trying.
Jay, with you, I wanted to ask you. The first class you found it very difficult, right? Now, how are you feeling, Jay?
It's feeling a little bit better after the homework.
Oh, I see. Okay. Good to know. But if at any point in time you find it tough or a little off, right? Just please keep me posted, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Avyukt, you got the access, right, Avyukt?
Yeah.
Okay. Rather than Ryan, nice to get your answer, Ryan, but don't say domain is infinite. You have to either write it as an inequality or you have to say it in proper terms. Thank you, Kavin, for your message and the homework. I really appreciate and value that. Varad, how are we doing with the homework?
Wait, what?
What are we doing with the homework?
I didn't get time for like doing homework because I had like school-related homework a lot.
Yeah, but I want you to attempt.
But I'll try like the upcoming
Thank you,
homework
Ma.
though.
I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Auntie,
Yes,
how
Ma.
do you write the greater or equal to sign?
Okay. I can show you. You can write like this. Let's see. I'll show you here. You can write a greater than sign, then followed by an equal to. Make
Okay.
sense? Harshat, looks like you understand it well, right, Harshat? I was sincerely a little hesitant when we did the pre-algebra test. Nice to know.
The homework drilled it into my mind.
Oh, nice. Are you following the book, Harshat? Did you buy the book?
Auntie, I actually posted all the missing homework in all homework.
Oh, I see. I didn't see that. Okay. Kavin,
But it's like light, like you can't even see it. So
which one, Ma?
my answer. For some reason, it's like hard to see in it.
Vikyat, very good job on the range. Very nice.
Auntie, how do you write infinity?
You can write INF. INF is infinity.
Okay.
Prince, very nice, Prince. I really like
I
the.
did the
uh,
ranging domain, but I don't know how. I'm still confused on the graphing.
No problem. Thank you for letting me know. Prince, when it is infinity, right, the equal to sign should not come. Vikyat, very good job on the domain and range.
Miss Priya, I got the graph, but I don't know how to do the domain range.
No problem. You want to show me the graph, Jay? Would love
Okay.
to see the graph you have drawn. Please unblur and then show, then only I can see. And then you can blur it back. Prisha. Good job, ma, Prisha. What is that? Prisha, on that range, what have you done? Infinity less than y. What is that?
Oh, sorry. I meant to write infinity on the other side. I forgot.
Okay.
Wait,
For
Miss Priya, I'm
infinity,
showing it.
it's
I'm
on
showing mine.
Yes. Which one? No, that's not right. The graph is not right. You did not substitute it properly, Jay. X equal to -2. What are you getting for the y value?
I
When
just
you
put
substitute,
-2, 0, and then 2 for the input.
that is fine. That is great. I saw that. On the y value, how did you compute? Did you substitute the x value into the equation and find y? That is incorrect.
I didn't do that part.
Yeah, then only you have to do the graph. After doing that part, after finding y, you have to show the graph. Hey, guys, all of you, many of you I'm seeing. See, when you see infinity on either side, this one can have less than equal to. But if you have infinity on the other side, right, there should not be any equal to sign. You cannot touch infinity. Infinity or minus infinity, you cannot touch. If minus infinity comes like this, right, you should never write it like this. Minus infinity should always be less than x. If there is infinity or minus infinity, please make sure you don't include the equal to sign. Okay, those are things that you learn here that will carry forward all through your math for your life. Infinity should not have equal to sign. Okay, Prisha, good job. Prisha, your this is incorrect. Why is incorrect, ma?
Would it be for
I'll
y?
tell you.
Would it be negative?
I'll tell you. Oppa, Ashita, you didn't do your work, but you're prompt with your answers. Love it.
It's right, right?
It's right.
Okay. Miss Priya, is this graph correct? Can you check real quick?
Yeah, I can check. Arush, if you substitute -3, do you get a 9? Arush, if you substitute -3, right, what do you get? Y will be equal to what? Yes, that graph is right, Ashita.
9.
Yeah, it's not
Oh.
9. Please, Arush, you'll have to be careful. Plugging in should be proper. What happened? -3 square will be 9, but what happened to this negative?
Oh, -9.
Yeah, so you need to be careful. And then the same thing with all the points you have given. Can you correct and send it to me, ma?
I thought because it was negative y squared, I thought that whatever input you put in, it should be like negative. I didn't think you have to put the negative outside of like the parentheses.
Okay. Johan, that is incorrect, ma. I'm going to show you. Nidhi, how did you know the domain and range without knowing the graph? How are you doing? Can you explain, ma? Educate me. You have the domain and range, right? How did you find it without drawing the graph?
Wait, what?
How did you do the domain and range without drawing the graph, ma? Avyuk, it's incorrect. Nidhi. Nidhi, how did you do the domain and range without drawing the graph?
Oh, sorry. Honestly, I didn't really get it, so I asked Pranav, but he didn't help me with the graph.
You asked for what?
I asked Pranav.
Pranav. Okay. Good. I'm glad to know. So let's see this one.
My speaker wasn't working, so I couldn't hear you.
No problem, ma. I will go ahead. I'll go through it once more. Guys, I'm going to explain. Please listen, okay? Y equal to minus x square. You're given a function. Y is f of x, right? Function of x. Now immediately please draw a table. Please draw a table of input output values. Input is independent value. Any value you can put. Output you need to use the equation and find out. For the input, I will go ahead and try one negative, maybe two negative values, one positive and zero value. Independent value, you get to choose to put anything there. Okay, you can choose two negative, one positive, one zero value. Now plug in. This is our equation, right? You have to plug in. You have to be a little quick in this. Plug in minus 2 for x square. Y will be equal to negative of minus 2 square. So what is the answer? Y will be equal to minus 4. So here you put a minus 4. The next one is y equal to minus x square. Plug in minus 1 for x. What happens to the value of y? It is a minus 1. And then plug in 0. When you plug in x equal to 0, what happens? Y is also equal to 0. Then you plug in x equal to 2 square. What happens? Now, with this, I'm going to graph it. Here, minus 2 comma minus 4. Minus 2 comma minus 4 is here. Minus 1 comma minus 1. 0 comma 0. 2 comma minus 4. So how is the graph? You connect all the points together. Now, if you keep on doing, you can keep on doing this. But then see the graph goes down on both sides. So when you look at it, the graph is this. How will you find the domain? Domain is all possible x values. So it keeps on going like this. Keeps on going like this, right? So look at the domain means look at your x-axis. What are the possible values? It keeps on going, right? It keeps on extending towards this side minus infinity. This side as well goes to minus infinity. But then when you see, right, x value goes to minus infinity, what happens to the y value? When x's value goes to your extreme left, right, what happens to the graph? Graph is your y value. You see? So what happens when the graph goes to minus infinity? What is the possible domain? The graph is still there. You see the graph has some value towards minus infinity. So the x value can be from minus infinity to positive infinity. So you can say all real numbers. You can say it like that, or you can say minus infinity less than x is less than infinity. The starting point and ending point you're going to write, and in between x for the domain. The sign you need to be very careful. If infinity or minus infinity comes, there won't be any equal to sign. There will be only less than or greater than sign. And guys, when you write out the domain, the lowest point is in your left. Minus infinity is very low compared to plus infinity. So the lowest point is on the left. So minus infinity is less than x is less than infinity. Don't change the sign here. Coming to the range, Lakshmita, do you want to help me? Range, let's see the y-axis. Where is the graph? What is the lowest point on the y-axis, Lakshmita? What is the lowest point on the y-axis? Try, I'll help you, right? Doesn't matter. What is the lowest point?
Well, it keeps going. So
What, ma?
it keeps going. It's one of the lowest points.
Yeah, it keeps going, right? So what is the lowest point then?
Like negative infinity.
Amma, please be a little loud, ma.
Negative infinity.
Negative infinity. Good job, guys. Good job, Lakshmita. Negative infinity. Then?
Highest one.
Yeah, negative infinity. See on the y-axis, it's negative infinity. And then the highest point is what?
Positive infinity.
The graph does not go anywhere here. What is the highest point on the y-axis? So it starts at minus infinity, but range is all about y's, right? And then on the y-axis, which is the highest point, ma? On the y-axis, which is the highest point?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
can I try?
Yeah, try.
Is this 0?
0. Good job. On the y-axis, 0 is your highest point. I write that. And then less than, there is no equal to because of that minus infinity. This side is less than or equal to. Make sense, guys?
Auntie, that was my.
What, ma?
I put my answer up. 6:25 p.m.
Yeah, I did not see. I did not see honestly. Because I started explaining start. Oh, I'm sorry, Kavin. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Okay, good. Okay. Less than infinity. X range is correct. Harshad, that's right. Ashruta. Yeah, yeah. This is called a downward parabola. Good job. Okay, nice.
It was on my math test, that's why.
Oh, wow. It was in a math test. Okay, good to know. How about this? Let me give you something else. How about this one? I want to give you something a little harder, guys. It should not be that easy. Okay, how about this? I'll give you this one. F of x equal to 8 plus 2x. Okay. Find f of x. Find J, did you get the graph? How to do?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Please, all of you, I'm wanting one answer from you, please.
Wait, Miss Priya, does that mean fraction form or decimal form?
What fraction form or decimal? Oh, the answer?
Yeah.
Answer. First you evaluate it and then ask this question, please. First you evaluate it and then ask the question.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma?
I put my answer.
Yeah, yeah. You have to hold on a little bit, please. Dhruv, did you forget to come?
No, I didn't forget.
But the class starts at 8 o'clock, right? I mean, 7 o'clock, right?
Oh, it's 6:30 now.
Miss Priya, class starts
The
at
class starts at
4:45.
6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, right?
Oh, yeah. I forgot. I got confused with one of my other classes. The timing.
Okay, okay. Next week, definitely come on time.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, now I need to see the answers, right? Chat window. I got so many answers. That seems incorrect, Harshad. Yes, Kavin, that's right. Avyuk, that's right. Ryan, that's right. Ashruta, that's right. Johan, that's right. Good job, guys. The way you're all answering is really nice. Nidhi, correct. Arush, what is that, Arush? Correct, Arush.
That was
Bharat.
from 4.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Thank you,
Oops,
Arush. You
oops.
should be very attentive now. Yeah.
Oops, I corrected it.
Yeah. So now, who are all not answering? Do I need to pick or you can send answers, please?
I'm about to send it in a
Wait,
second.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Bharat, Bharat, I didn't see yours. Bharat. Yes, Bharat, that's right. Prince, correct, Amma. I think I got all answers. I'm stuck on the domain and range. Are you still stuck on the domain and range? What is the domain and range of this graph? Who can tell me? 8 plus 2x means what type of a graph is this? Parabola or a line? Is it a parabola or a line? Line graph with a positive slope, right? What is the y-intercept of the graph? What is the y-intercept of this graph? Y-intercept. Yeah, how do you say that? mx plus b, right? If you bring it to the form y equal to format, if you know that m is your slope, right? And b is your y-intercept. So 0, 8 is a point on the graph. So it is an upward facing graph because the slope is positive. Slope is negative means it's a downward facing graph. Slope is positive means it's an upward facing, so it goes up. Now tell me what is the domain and range for this graph when you look at it, right? Look at the x-axis for the domain. It can go to minus infinity to infinity. The line keeps on going, right? So minus infinity less than x is less than infinity is your domain. For the range, what will you write? The same thing for the range because it can go on and on. Look at the y-axis. It can keep going. So minus infinity to positive infinity. Minus infinity less than y is less than infinity. Any questions, guys, here?
Miss Priya?
Yeah.
So, when x is squared, does that cause a parabola?
Correct. X, so
Okay.
see the power of x in a function, the power of x is 1. The highest power of x is 1 means it's a line. The highest
Okay.
power of x is 2 means it's a parabola.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now, how about this? I'm going to trick you now. F of x equal to, yeah, x square minus 1. Now tell me what is the range of this graph. That's a tricky question. If you want to see, if you don't know the range as is, right, you can go ahead, draw the graph and let me know. I'll wait. Please keep up with the homework. You'll be good with Algebra 1. Algebra 1 lays your foundation for other standard exams, guys. Really, I request you to follow up. Many of your homework are coming through nicely. Please be on top, on your toes for your homework alone. Then only we'll be able to do a better job.
Auntie, I think I got it correct, but I understand why you said it was tricky.
Jay, looks like if you don't know a question, you have to ask Amma. There was a homework, and in that you had a 25th question. The last week you did not ask me on that. Why?
Oh wait, what about the last week homework? I don't remember any of that.
Hey, I'll come to that. Don't worry. I'll ask you. Let's finish this. It's not to bug you, just to
Auntie,
understand. Yeah.
sorry. Did you check my answer?
Johan, that range is correct, huh? Did you draw the graph and see? It's a tricky question, I told you. Ryan, did you draw the graph? Show me the graph for this one. I want to see the graph. You guys are just like that, making some assumptions and doing some range. Please, Lasya, if you draw the graph, you'll be able to see the y-axis and tell. Prisha, that's incorrect. Kavin, that is incorrect. Did you draw the graph?
Wait, is mine right or is
I
it wrong?
didn't see the graph.
None of you, Harshad, that's right. Jay, f of minus 6.75, I didn't ask you, right? Why are you giving me f of 6.7?
That was previous answer, and then you explained.
Okay, now Prince, that is correct, Prince. Good job. Did you draw the graph, Prince? Bharat, very good job.
Yeah, I
Wait,
did it.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Yes, Ashita, I was about to call you out. Yes.
Okay, because I drew the
Arun, that is
graph too.
incorrect. Avyuk, that is incorrect.
wait, mine's right?
Lasya, very nice. You got it. You drew the graph, right?
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
confused because like I was thinking the y-axis was the x-axis for a while.
Okay. But the trick worked, you see. If you don't know how to do your table, draw the graph, and you'll quickly answer. Good
It's
job.
generally really easy, so much easier when you draw the graph though.
Yes, yes. Vikyat, correct. I'm glad you're finding strategies.
When I
Jay,
wrote When I typed it, I think my key was stuck, so I didn't notice that I didn't type out something, but I'm not sure if it's right.
I'll check, Amma. Dhruv, correct. Prisha, did I not tell you? No, Prisha. Did you
No, I
do?
just. Oh, yeah.
Draw the graph and show me. If you draw the graph, you guys won't have trouble at all. Look at the y-axis, lowest value, highest value. Nidhi,
Yeah.
show me the graph.
Oh.
I want everybody to be very good with domain and range because that's the base of anything that you learn further.
Miss Priya, I don't get it.
Lakshmita, I really want you to retry. You are good, but can you show me the graph? Lakshmita, that's right, Amma. You edited it?
Yeah.
But correct. Now it's correct, but your left hand sign should have an equal to.
Oh, okay. Then.
You got it? Avyuk, I will explain Avyuk. You have to wait because I'm waiting for the others.
Yeah, I had something to say though.
Yes, please go ahead, Avyuk.
Yes, so when I was graphing it, I got it as a
Show me the graph, Avyuk. Just show the graph. I'll help you, Avyuk. Amma, have you blurred your screen, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, see. You want to
Do you
show
want
me?
me you want me to draw it?
Purma, which? Yeah, yeah. Show me the graph, Amma. Unblur and show me the graph. Kitchen light.
Sure.
Can I see? I really want to go to pattern sequences today. Show me the
Yeah.
graph.
Yeah, I need to unblur it first.
Oh, sorry. Kavin, are you okay? Did you do?
Yeah, I sent it again.
Okay, okay. Did you draw the graph?
Yeah, I did. Think
Oh,
me.
yeah. Kavin, the -1, that side, see, Kavin, okay. That side, the sign should be less than or equal to, Kavin.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember. I forgot to
No
edit that.
worries. X, I'm going to say X will be equal to -3, -1, 0, 2. Now, Avyuk, do you have the graph? I'm waiting. What happened?
Yeah, I was gonna show you.
Yeah, show me. Perfect. That's not right. You're not really putting in values. You're just like that. Did you substitute the values properly?
Oh wait, that's the before one. Sorry.
What are the values you substituted? You have -2 giving you what?
-2 giving.
Then did you plot those points in the graph?
Yes.
No. You didn't plot the points properly into the graph. Can you check?
Yeah.
What? Did you find out? So -3 is a 8. -1 is a 0. 0 is a -1. 2 is a 3. So
-2 is a 3 I got.
Yeah, my graph goes like this. This goes up like this, this goes up like this. So what happens? Range means the lowest on the y-axis. Just look at your y-axis. What is the lowest point?
My
What is
lowest point
Huh?
was 0. I didn't calculate everything though.
-1 is your lowest point. The graph touches -1, so it's a shaded dot here. That means less than or equal to. The graph does touch -1. So -1 less than or equal to y. And then what is your highest point on the y-axis? It goes to infinity. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so graphing functions, you know. Okay. Are you okay? Okay. So now let's go on to patterns and sequences. This is an interesting topic. Okay, let's try. I really like doing this with all of you, this patterns and sequences. Okay, so here, let's see this one. What is a sequence? If you write out a series of numbers in an order, right, it becomes a sequence, correct? So let's try to write out sequences. Okay, first number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number. I have the sequence 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Got it? Now, this is my input, this is my output. What do you think about the sequence? Who can describe? Jay, what do you think about the sequence? What do you think about the sequence?
The y is getting added twice every single time for one x.
Added twice.
And then you start off with 7.
So
Actually,
yeah.
wait, for 0, isn't it 5 on the x?
Yeah,
Oh,
0
I mean
is
the y.
yeah. So when you graph it, what happens? Let's see what happens. 0 becomes a 5. What happens then? 1 becomes a 7. 2 becomes a 9. 3 becomes a 11. 4 becomes a 13. 5 becomes a 15. What happens to this graph? So it's a sequence of numbers that creates a line when you think about it, right? And you also found that the y values always get incremented by a 2. You see, meaning the successive term minus the previous term. The successive term minus the previous term. There is a common difference of 2. Am I making sense? There's a common difference of 2 between your y values. Make sense? Can I move on? Suppose if I give you the function value as x square plus 2. Can you tell me the first 4 values in this sequence? First 4 values in this sequence. Can you tell me that?
Hey, Auntie.
Yeah.
I have a question. How would you plot an irrational number then? Like an irrational sequence? Like, for example, how would you plot pi?
Pi is 3.14, right? So you can
Yeah,
plot it on number line.
Yeah, but like, it's infinite. It goes on until infinity, right? So like, how would you...
Yeah. Doesn't matter. You can always round it and plot it.
Okay.
You see what I mean? Okay. Now,
Miss Priya, do we just send you the answers in chat or?
Yeah, ma, send the answers in chat. I just want to know. This is the first term. First term means I'm substituting x equal to 1. This is the fourth term. That's nice, Dhruv. Explanation is great. And also, after you give me these 4 values, give me what is the 20th term of the sequence.
Meaning you want you want us to solve each thing and
Yeah.
send the answer, right? Okay, thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, and the 20th term of the sequence. That's good, Avyut. What is the 20th term of the sequence?
I'm calculating that.
Auntie, I put my answers.
Yeah.
Can you check my... You muted yourself, Auntie. You muted.
Harshat, 1 minute. Good job, ma. Prisha, correct. Ashrita, correct. Jay, I'm really expecting your answer. Bharat, correct.
I'm a little bit confused on this.
Avyut,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
What was that?
I'm a little bit confused on it.
Confused on that. Okay. Okay. Vikyat, how can I help you? Jay, what is your understanding? You tell me. What is that, Ryan? What is f of 20? I'm asking. You're sending me f of 20. Good job, Johan. Okay.
No,
Vikyat.
I didn't mean to send that. Sorry.
Vikyat and Jay, please explain. Where are we stuck?
I'm stuck on calculating the terms.
Yeah, same.
Calculating the terms means see. I am saying the x value. This is your x value. I have given you the function. The function means this is y value. I am asking for the y value. A function of means I am asking you for the y value. So what should you do, you think, Jay? I'm asking you, there are two variables x and y. X is your input, y is your output. X input I have given you. Whatever is inside the bracket is your input value. Now you know the input value. You have the input output equation. Now what should you do, Jay?
I'm confused there.
Lima, see, this is just the input output table that you learned in 4th grade, ma. So you have been given an equation here, y equal to x square plus 2. Input is this x, output is the y. I am asking you for this machine, function machine, if I give input equal to 1, what happens to the output?
The input equal to 1.
Yeah.
So the x in the table would be 1, and then you would
1
have
times
you would
1.
have to
Uh-huh.
and then you have to add 2 to 1.
Correct. So what
And
happens?
then that means the first term would be 3.
Yes. Jay, do you want to try this one for me?
So you're so basically, wait, what happened on the square over there? On front, like on top of x.
Yeah. So that means what you're asking, huh?
Wait, I'm saying what was this? What happened to the square root on top of the x
See,
on
yeah,
the
I
right?
got it. See, like this ask Jay. Yeah, I can understand. You got confused on this, right? X
Yeah.
square means x gets multiplied by x again. X cube means the base. This is called the exponent. See, I didn't know that you did not know this. Good, I'm asking is better.
Okay,
So,
I submitted my terms.
yeah, good job. Yes. Jay, you can go ahead with f of 2. Now you got it, Jay?
So you just divide, is that a divide symbol right there?
Which one, ma?
Beside the 3 square root of 3 and all the x's?
X square plus 2.
No, right beside the table.
Right beside the table x cube. X power of 3 means x is repeated 3 times and multiplied.
Oh.
You got it?
Okay.
Miss
Okay,
Priya,
now let's not bother. Yeah.
before you explain it, I sent in my answer. Can you tell me if it's right or not?
Ma, wait, ma, let me finish with J, right, Nidhi? Go ahead. J, go ahead.
So y equal to x plus 2. So y equal to x and then 2 times 2 plus 2.
Correct. 2 times 2 plus 2. Correct. What is that?
4 plus 2.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
6.
Yes, you got it now?
Oh, okay.
Then what is the 20th term? 20th term is 20 square. What is 20 square plus 2? 400 plus 2 is 402. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try this one. So, Nidhi, that is correct. Okay, so everybody, you should have gotten the answers as 1. F of 1 is 3, 6, 11, 18, and F of 20 is 402. Now let's go ahead with this one. Now, I said I'm going to re-explain one more sequence. Here, the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. 2, 4, 6, 8. It's a very simple sequence. You see? It's a very simple sequence. This is your first term. This is your fourth term, correct? Now, when you think about it, right? This is your first term. This is your fourth term. Now, if you're given the first term, if I say, hey, first term of a sequence is 1, the difference between, meaning difference between common difference means the successive term minus the previous term is 2. What is the second term? What is the second term? Anybody tell me. First term is 1, common difference is 2. What is the second term?
The second term is 2.
2. What is, let's say I give you, hey, 96th term of a sequence is 4. Common difference is 5. What is the 97th term?
It'd be 9.
It will be 9. Good job. Now, let me consider 86th term of a sequence.
Wait, Auntie, I don't understand.
this is the common difference, right?
Yeah.
The
Oh.
successive term minus the previous term is called the common difference.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so if you're given the first term, the common difference means successive term minus the previous term is 2 means you to your first term you add your common difference to get the second term, correct?
Yeah.
Similarly, your 86th term is 25 in a sequence. Common difference is a minus 5. See, this time it's a minus 5. So what is the 87th term? What is the 87th term?
20.
20. See, this is a decreasing sequence. When the common difference is negative, successive term minus the previous term is negative, it's a decreasing sequence. When the common difference is positive, it's an increasing sequence. Questions there?
Yeah, Auntie, but first term plus 2 is equal to 3. So shouldn't the second term be 3?
Second term is 3, correct.
Okay.
Second term is 3. That's what she said. I wrote it down as 2 by mistake.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, now it makes sense.
Got it? Okay, now, so here I have a question to you all. So now when you're given, let's say, when you're given the 86th term, you can find, and the common difference, you can either find the 87th term or the 85th term very easily, correct? Lakshmita, are you here with me?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want you to be looking at something else as well. So now, suppose, let's say I had a sequence, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wrote it out as 2, 4, 6, 8 for the y values, right? I'll write it out as f of x. This is x. Now for this sequence, let's say I want to find out the nth term. How will I write my y value? What will be, see, this is f of 1. This is f of 2. This is f of 3. This one is f of 3, f of 2, f of 1. Nth value means what it will be? F of
N?
n. Why f of n? When I give n as the input to this function, it will produce this value. That's what it means. Suppose let's say tth term. What will be the f of
t?
F of t, because t is the input. Don't worry about your variable name. It can be anything. If you give that as input, you get f of that as your output, because y is otherwise called as f of x. Got it? Now, let's go back to our explanation for the sequence. The x and f of x. If you want to go through this one, right? Now, as I said, if you have the common difference, there is a plus 2 common difference here. If you have the common difference, so my nth term is f of n. The previous to this, what is it called? How can I call that the term previous to this? The term previous to this is n minus 1 term, correct?
Yeah.
If
F of n minus 1?
f of n minus 1, you see it? Lasya, you're following? Lasya, you're following, ma?
Yes, Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. So now you know, see, now f of n you know, f of n minus 1 you know. So I have f of n is 25, f of n minus 1 is 25. N minus 1 is 25. Common difference is 6. What is f of n? You tell me, guys.
Do we type in chat?
Yeah, in chat. Johan, do you know what is the answer? F of n?
This
I'm just figuring it out.
F of n minus 1, I've given you as 25. You don't need to worry about what is n minus 1, some term, okay? But I'm asking you for the next term f of n. What is the value of that if the common difference is 6? Yes, Johan. Others, Nidhi, do you know what is f of n?
Would it be 31?
31, yes. So basically what I wanted you to understand is previous term is given f of n minus 1. N minus 1 is some number, I don't know what it is. But the next term is f of n. So if you're given the previous term, if you have a common difference, then you can find out the next term very easily. So what is the general equation for this? Nth term, if you're asked, you can add the common difference to your previous term to get the nth term. Make sense, guys?
Yes.
Provided the sequence has a common difference.
Also,
Is this a arithmetic sequence?
Yes, whenever the sequence values have a common difference, it is called an arithmetic sequence. There is a name for the sequence, like my name is Priya, right? Like that, if a sequence, let's say 4, 8, 12, 16, there is a common difference when you see. Here, this is called an arithmetic sequence, and in an arithmetic sequence, f of n is equal to common difference plus f of the n minus 1, the previous term. Can also be written as a subscript 1 arithmetic sequence nth term is equal to n the previous term. A of n minus 1 means the sequence value, the previous term, n minus 1th term plus the common difference. Do you guys get it? This is called the recursive formula because we are connecting two terms together, right? We are connecting any two terms together, n minus 1, n, 5, second term, third term, fourth term. If you're able to connect two terms that are near n minus 1, you're just adding the common difference to your n minus 1th term. Jay, did you get that?
Yeah.
You said when the common differences are the same, it's an arithmetic.
Yes, common difference has to be the same between your sequence of numbers. That is the.
I just want to write it down the same way you said it, so I just want to clarify.
Yes, Avyut, go ahead and say.
Or could you put back whatever you written?
Oh, okay. Yes, ma, tell me.
So first of all, there are two formulas for this, right?
There are two formulas, yes.
And which one is the formula for the recursive one?
This is just that one only I have covered. This is the only formula I have covered, and that is the recursive formula.
Okay, got it.
Make sense? I don't want you to work on explicit formula today. I want you to understand that well.
Okay.
Got it? Today we discussed only graphing functions and arithmetic sequence with recursive formula.
Yeah.
Recursive means I'll give you the nth term and ask you n minus 1, or I'll give you the n minus 1th term, ask you for the nth term.
Okay.
See, now I'm saying, right, 56th term of a sequence is 56. Common difference is a minus 10. What is the 57th term? See, I'm connecting two terms together with the common difference, right? That is what is recursive. What is the 57th term?
46.
46. Because you subtracted minus 10, then you get the next term. You got it?
Yeah.
Please, I have a question.
Yes, Arshad.
So if you have a term that is two away, like 56th term and 58th term, can you find the common difference?
Yes, you can. There will be two common differences associated with it. Coming to that, Harshat, let's see. Let's see one another question like this. 56th term, the varema, is 56. Okay. 58th term of a sequence is 66. How many common differences are hidden, Harshat? Two common differences are hidden. So two common differences will be equal to 10. So what is the common difference of the sequence?
5.
How did I find the common difference? 66, the next term minus the previous term. 66 minus 56 is your two common difference. So 10, so one common difference will be 5. So common difference for the sequence is 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll stop here, guys. And I'll see you next class. But your homework will be to finish till 155 page number. I will post it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we can disperse and see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Andy.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all next week.
See you.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
could you post something for like the homework for domain and range? I want some help on it. That's why.
Domain and range. I have given you exercises. Is that not enough of you?
Yeah, that's enough. But like for next week, like this week, I want to.
Oh, you want to work on more problems on the same topic?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
I'll do.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Dhruv, did you have a question?
Can you send? I was gonna ask the same thing, but I was gonna ask for like f of n and stuff like that.
Yes, I will definitely do.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma.
Miss
Dhruv,
Priya?
yes, ma.
All right. The reason I didn't get to do the homework is because it's Ganesh Chaturthi and then I'm doing a dance. Like I have to learn 17 minutes of dance. So I'm doing with different groups. So and there's schoolwork on top of that and I'm in Spanish. I'm doing all high school classes, algebra, Spanish and like health science. And then there's a lot of history homework. So it's just like
I get it, ma. No worries. As long as you answer in class, I'm fine. But at least do 50% of it here.
yeah. Okay, yeah.
Whatever you can.
Yeah, I put a timetable. I will have everything done. Thank you.
See, time management is a skill, but
Yeah.
but you see, you're getting your answers right. I'm least bothered, but at the same time, just follow. You will know.
Yeah, of course, of course. Yeah, I feel like I'm following on in this class because I feel like both of these are helping off of each other. Like what I do in school is helping off here, but what I'm doing here is also helping off of school. You know what I mean? Like,
Yes.
because I was pretty happy with my map score.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you had a good score. Good job.
I think I got 255.
55 is good.
Yeah.
Good
Thank
job.
you. Thank you.
Very
But
nice.
yeah.
Bye-bye.
So I got like parabola, like those kind of questions. So after I came home, I researched about it. Like, so I next time I'll do
Nice.
better.
Good
So
job.
now then I understood what it
I
was.
can see that in you. Good job, Ashrita. I really like
Thank
it.
you.
Nice, ma.
Bye, Miss Priya. Happy
Bye.
Ganesh
You
Chaturthi.
too.